Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. I just wanted to pop on and say Merry Christmas, everyone, and hope you all have a good, safe and happy one, and I look forward to bringing you some more videos in 2021. And thank you for everybody who has subscribed to me and who watch me regularly and comment. I really appreciate it. So have a good one, and I'll just do a little bit of crafting for you. So I'm going to make some last minute treat holders for these. So I'm going to use the little treats bag because that's ideal for something really quick. And I'm going to use up some of my Christmas papers here that I've got that I haven't finished up. Not got a lot left. So just need a 6x6 for this. Can't believe I'm doing this on Christmas Eve. So I just thought, oh, it's ideal. Show some quick little last minute treat boxes there. That'll make 2. I've got a couple of treat boxes made, so I only need 2, and I might do one on that side and one on that side so they actually look different. So bringing in my big shotty. So it does fit on a 6x6 sheet if you go diagonally. There we go. It's magnetic underneath, so it's a bit of hard to move it. There, that'll do. So just run that through, and I always run it back. So I hope everybody's getting all prepared now for Christmas, and I hope everybody's managing to make the best of it. I'll just do the one on camera. I know probably none of us are having, I imagine, the Christmas we planned, but we are making the best of it. So this is all scored. Oh, bone folder. Been crafting elsewhere. There we go. There we are. I was busy making something for a Christmas present yesterday. There we are. So I went to Tesco's this morning because I wanted to go out for a walk with my mate, and she says, well, I've got to go to Tesco's on Christmas Eve morning. I'll be going early so that we don't get caught in the rush, and got to take some things back to Next, and let's have a little skeg at the sales in Debenhams. So that's what we did. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. There, now 2 of these fitted quite well. There we go. Just a nice little treat. And you can glue these for extra stability, which I might do actually. Well, my son's coming over in a minute to cook our Christmas Eve dinner. It's a tradition in our house. Always eat the same thing. And the last 3 years he's done the cooking of it. Or 2 years. So I'm happy about that. I'm going to make my nut roast when I finish this because I am the only vegetarian in the household. But everybody likes it, so I'm making one twice the size that I normally make because I like leftovers and I don't have any leftovers because they all have some. So I said, oh, I'm making a big one. There, see, it fits in beautifully in there. So we've got Snowflake Splendor ribbon. We'll have a bit of that, she says. I am prepared, as you can see. There it is. Snowflake Splendor. So I'll have a bit of that. I'll cut it. I've got these scissors. Dear, dear, dear. Been rushing around, being really busy, and I've been meant to make a Christmas Day video much earlier than this, but it was like, oh well, we'll do it now. And it's useful because I actually need this. There we go. And then we need to decorate the front. So I think what I'm going to do is cut that in white and cut a snowflake as well. So I will have to get my snowflake dies because I haven't got them. So I'm going to cut a white circle, and then out of Misty Moonlight I'm going to cut a snowflake, because that's, I think that's Misty Moonlight. It might be Night of Navy actually, thinking about it. Now I've put it next to it, I'm not sure. What does it say? Balmy Blue, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy. Could be Night of Navy, could be Misty Moonlight. I might cut both and we'll see which looks best, or I might layer them up. So there we are. So I've cut my circle, and I cut a snowflake in Misty Moonlight and a snowflake in Night of Navy, and I thought I'd layer them up and that would look nice on there. They were my thoughts. So I'm going to put a dollop in the middle, bit round there, match it up, trying, can't see, that's the problem, need my glasses. I think that's about right. And then stick that to my white circle. And then I'm going to take some gems. So I'm going to use these nice iridescent pearls. And stick it in the middle. Finish it off nicely. And then, and then I might just get some dimensionals on the back. And that's a nice, really quick little treat for the Christmas table. And that is what this set is perfect for. Still available to buy, but it is going. So there we are. Nice little treat. How cute's that? Love it. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring you something little quick and simple that you could do. Obviously, if you have these dies. So maybe I'll make something quick and simple without the dies that you could make. Now there's a challenge. Give me a minute to think. Okay, so I've got my 6x6 sheet. So Let's cut it down now to 3 by 6. I'm actually going to get a different scrap out because I might want a 6 by 6 for something. So this is, yep, 6 that way. So we're going to cut it down to 3. And these are really simple boxes. I've made them before. So I am going to score it in half at, oh, nearly cut it, at 3. I want to make a mark at the top at 1.5. Check I can see that. Just about. Mark there at 1.5. Anybody guess what I'm going to do now? I am going to, it's probably easier on my, might be easier on my trimmer. No, it's not. So where I've made that 1.5 mark there, and where that centre score line is there, I'm going to score. And then I'm going to score on this side again. So we're forming a triangle. Centre score line, that 1.5 mark. You can do it on a scoreboard. I just happened to have the trimmer, so it made it easier. So the centre mark, I'm struggling to see, is there. Halfway point there. Swivel around. There we go. So now I'm just going to fold and burnish all these lines. And then that's just going to close up and be a nice little triangular box there. So we need to just punch some holes. I've got a crocodile. So it's set at 1/2 inch. So let's stick that down there. Punch. Do the same on this side. Punch. So let's get our little treats in there. Might only take one. Let's see. Will it take 2? No, just the one. That's the low fat version. Yep, one little treat in there nicely. And then we just need some ribbon. Put the ribbon through there. And through that one. Through that side. And then out that one. So this is a no glue box. You can make them in different sizes. that little snack. Can I move it around? That'll be fine. Bulging a little bit there. Maybe not the best snack for it. Treat. But I don't think anybody's going to mind. And then I just tie a little bow, or you could tie a knot. There we go. Right, so there's the scissors gone. Give that a little snip. There we go, and then we just need a bit of decoration on the front. I could decorate it in exactly the same way. You could use a circle punch if you haven't got those dies, but I have, so I'm going to use that. So I'll get them cut out. So I die cut all of those. I assembled it. You've already seen me do that. So, and that will fit nicely on the front there. So 2 little quick treats for the Christmas table. So if you've got any last minute things, then there you go. Hope that gives you a couple of ideas. Okay, so hope you're having a very Merry Christmas, and I will be back. I will be back with more videos. I think I've got one planned for tomorrow actually, as a little extra. Okay, so yeah, see you again soon, and thank you once again for watching me. All the details will be over on nigezza.co.uk, and if you wish to purchase anything before these all disappear, links down below. The snowflake die is staying. It's just the gift box ones that isn't. Okay, bye for now.